The girls program had struggled. They hadn't made it to state, and they hadn't won a district championship.
It just seemed like he was always the bridesmaid, so to speak, finishing second a lot of times, which was not bad.
A lot of those teams, though, kind of paved the way.
When they won regionals that first year, I think that is when all of a sudden the lid came off.
Being on that team and winning a state title, that was really like my first taste of it. I think it also kind of solidified, but was also like the start of this culture that like we had on our team.
We knew we were good and we were going to be good for a while. The thing is, you just don't know how long that longevity can go.
By the time we got to the tape, we were both there. I didn't know who won.
It was unbelievable. It was unheard of. And so for that to happen at state track, I just think it even elevated the program even more, because that doesn't happen.
Everyone kind of knew around here who Flower Mound was, and whenever we traveled to bigger meets, they would always look at us like a little bit differently, like they knew who we were, but they weren't gonna say anything.
Oh my gosh, we're gonna see something fast here.
Winding her way home here at running lane.
Oh my gosh.
With having Natalie Cook and having Nick and Sam, they made a name for Flower Mound. That's kind of, I believe, what started it, but definitely continuing it is what makes the difference.
Sometimes it kind of hits me like, this is really cool to be able to have this legacy. I'm very grateful to be a part of it.
There's nothing more rewarding than seeing a kid work hard for something and achieve a goal.
Never in our wildest dreams did I think it could be 5 in a row.